One of us, as he's walking out of the masjid, maybe he puts $50 into the donation box, and in the depths of his heart, wallahi, in places we don't talk about, you really truly believe that Allah owes you a favor. That Allah owes me something, man. That I've been praying for the last 10 years, so therefore, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He owes me something. Well, my brothers, today I got news for both sides. Allah owes you nothing. Don't be fooled. Don't let shaitan play with your mind. That look at you, mashallah, you've been on deen. You're a cut above the rest. You're nothing. And you little bad boy who thinks he's something, you know, Allahu Akbar, wallahi, nothing burns my soul more than a brother who puts on a cloak. He puts on an image that's not him.